Bro, I would literally have to be like that.
I know, dude. I was literally shocked.
Oh my god, bro. What is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. And as you can tell, we're at the flipping lot. And today is going to be bananas. This is a vibe right here. We got our own pack at the lot right now, dude. Tampa gang. We're lit, bro. We got Cushington in the front. You already know he's shredded. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Yes, sir. That's the homie Cushington, and he be shredded. We got the homie right here. What you gotta say?
Yes, sir.
We lit. Let's go. I'll give you all the smoke, bro, and I'm gonna record it. Yes, sir. You're getting swaggy with it. Bro, I would literally have to be like that.
I know, dude. I was literally shocked.
Oh my god, bro. Bro. Oh shit. So much happening right now. Bro, that car was like, I thought it was gonna come towards us. I was like,
I didn't even see it.
yeah, you would have been done. I would have been like this, and you would just boom. Let's go. Let's go. Quad boys out here vibing, dog. Let's go. Homie on the two-stroke. Do you guys see? What's good, bro? We got little homie out here vibing on the TTR 50. Let's go! Well, all these people going. You already know I'm in the back as par usual. Little kid went down. Oh, let's go. The quad going crazy. Yeah, wear my helmet. What? Yeah, wear it. Will it fit?
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo. We back. We about to do some shredding. I'm gonna videotape you. Yes,
hanging out back here. Suzuki gang, you know I love my Suzuki gang out here. Even though I don't really ride my Suzuki. Ooh, hopping on the seat. That TTR stand-up eyes. Oh yeah, boy! We're killing on that TTR, bro. Yes, sir. That's that TTR swag right there, boy. Ooh! Ah! Little RC car. I didn't even know you were recording. Yeah. Yes, sir. Swaggin', bro. Got them vibes, bro. Yes, sir. That's what we're talking about, bro. Tampa squad is out here, bro. They're showing the lot how they flip and do it, and they do it good, bro. They're shredded. Let's go! Alrighty gang, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Remember, stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. Shout out Jimmy for recording, wearing the helmet for a little bit. Check out his channel. Link in the description, merch in the description. Stay motivated, stay positive. We freaking love you. Peace.